All right, let's solve a mystery that's right in front of our faces every single day, but one we don't always think about. Why in the world are leaves green?
I mean, have you ever really stopped to think about it? Maybe you're walking through a park or just looking out your window. Why that specific color? Out of all the colors in the world, why green?
Well, today we're going to get to the bottom of it. So let's put on our imaginary explorer hats and go on a little science adventure to uncover one of nature's coolest secrets. Okay, so to understand the color, first we've got to understand what a leaf's job actually is. And the best way to do that is to picture a tiny, bustling kitchen.
Yep, you heard that right. Plants are basically these incredible, self-sufficient chefs. And their leaves? Those are the amazing little kitchens where they cook up all their own food. No takeout required.
Now, this amazing food-making process has an official, kind of fancy name. It's a big word, but it is the key to everything. Photosynthesis. This is the magic recipe we're about to break down. Just like any good recipe, you need your ingredients, right? Well, the plant uses three main things. It gathers sunlight for energy, takes in carbon dioxide from the air we breathe out, and soaks up water from the ground through its roots. It mixes all that together inside its leaf kitchens to whip up a tasty meal. But, every great chef has a secret ingredient, right? That one special tool that makes the whole recipe work. And inside that plant's kitchen, there's a tiny green superhero doing all the important work. And that superhero's name is chlorophyll. So here's the deal with chlorophyll. It's a molecule, and its one and only superpower is absorbing sunlight. Seriously, you can think of it as the plant's own personal solar panel, grabbing the sun's energy to power that whole food-making operation. And, crucially for our mystery, it's the very thing that gives the leaf its famous green color. Okay, so we know chlorophyll is green, but why does it actually look green to our eyes? To answer that, we need a super quick crash course in how we see color in the first place. This is actually kind of a mind-bender. Sunlight isn't just yellow or white. It's actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow, all smushed together. So when that light hits an object, like a banana, the banana peel absorbs every color except yellow. It reflects the yellow light, which then bounces into our eyes, and poof, our brain says, that's yellow. And that brings us right back to our leaf. Our superhero molecule, chlorophyll, is a champ at absorbing energy from the red and blue parts of sunlight. It just gobbles them up to fuel photosynthesis. But it's just not very good at absorbing green light. So what does it do? It reflects it. That green light bounces right off the leaf and straight into our eyes, which is why we see a green leaf. But wait a minute, this brings up another question. If chlorophyll is why leaves are green, then what on earth is going on in the fall? What happens when our little green superhero decides to take a vacation? Well, as the days get shorter and the weather starts to cool down, the tree gets a signal that winter is on its way. It's time to shut down the kitchens for the season. The whole photosynthesis process slows right down, and the leaves get ready to take a long rest. So as the plant stops making food, it also stops making new chlorophyll. That powerful green superhero that was so dominant all summer long begins to break down and fade away. And what's revealed underneath? All those beautiful yellow, orange, and red colors that were actually hiding inside the leaf the entire time, just masked by all that powerful green. All right, our science adventure is just about at its end. So let's recap everything we've discovered and put all the pieces of this colorful puzzle together for good. So here's the bottom line. Leaves are green because of that hero molecule, chlorophyll. It's fantastic at absorbing reds and blues for energy, but it reflects the green light, which is what we see. It powers that whole photosynthesis factory. And when autumn rolls around, the chlorophyll fades away, finally letting those hidden yellows and reds have their moment to shine. And that is the secret. So the next time you're outside and you see a green leaf, you'll know exactly what's going on. You're not just seeing a pretty color. You're seeing a tiny, powerful food factory, hard at work, reflecting its signature color right back at you. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? Now that you're in on the leaf secret, what other everyday wonders are out there, just hiding their own incredible scientific story? Thanks so much for joining this explainer. Keep on asking questions.